If y'all know me, you know I'm a little bit nuts, but let me show you my latest creation. If you know me at work, you've probably seen this little thing that I got off of just something I made off of YouTube. And just a little stupid horn. Not too bad. Then I upscaled it to this right here, which is PVC. Sounds kind of like a train horn. But here's my latest creation. Now I just wondered, how big can you go? And this thing, I have to power it with a leaf blower. And just to let you know how loud the leaf blower is, that's how loud the leaf blower is. Alright, let me sit down right here, and you can actually tell how loud this thing is. That's massive. Oh dear. Let's see if I can get the camera to sit here. Alright. Okay, babies, here we go. Did you notice the sound of the leaf blower went away?